The TP-Link Deco 7 Pro packs lightning-fast Wi-Fi speeds into your home, delivering up to 10 gigabits per second combined across its 6 GHz, 5 GHz, and 2.4 GHz bands. That's fast enough to handle 4K/8K streaming, lag-free gaming, and downloads that feel like magic, making it the perfect solution for anyone who wants to upgrade their home Wi-Fi experience. Imagine having a network that covers every corner of your house, without any dead zones or dropped connections. The Deco 7 Pro makes this a reality, thanks to its mesh system design and advanced technology. This means you can finally ditch those pesky routers and extenders, and enjoy a seamless connection across all your devices. One of the standout features of the Deco 7 Pro is its ability to support over 200 devices without compromising performance. That's right, this router can handle even the busiest households with ease, ensuring that every device has a stable and reliable connection. Whether you've got smart home devices, gaming consoles, or multiple computers, the Deco 7 Pro has got you covered. Another key feature is its Tri-Band Wi-Fi 7 technology, which provides faster and more stable connections than ever before. This means you can enjoy speeds of up to 5,188 megabits per second, 6 GHz, 4,324 megabits per second, 5 GHz, and 574 megabits per second, 2.4 GHz. Perfect for streaming, gaming, or simply enjoying online content. But what really sets the Deco 7 Pro apart is its ability to seamlessly integrate with other TP-Link products. This means you can easily expand your network or add new devices without having to worry about compatibility issues. Plus, the Deco app makes it easy to set up and manage your network in minutes. Keep your Wi-Fi performing at its best by keeping the firmware updated. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this router really worth the investment? And my answer is a resounding yes. With the Deco 7 Pro, you get a comprehensive network that provides protection against malware and IoT threats, robust parental controls, and remote VPN access, all without breaking the bank. In short, the TP-Link Deco 7 Pro is the perfect solution for anyone who wants to upgrade their home Wi-Fi experience. It delivers fast speeds, seamless connectivity, and advanced security features, making it a game changer for anyone looking to take their online experience to the next level. So why wait? Check out the link below to get your Deco 7 Pro today.